Hi there, Yoda. Yoda be Jedi. Right, okay, you've said that you've got a problem with the grouping, and you want to know a way without having to go into outliner all the time. Uh, there is a way to parent the items instead of grouping, which we'll look at now, and another way in which it will make it easy for you to grab the model. I'm not sure what you mean by the skeleton, whether you've created a rigged skeleton to this model and that's popping out when you move the items. You remember, if you do create the skeleton, you need to bind the skin, your model, to the skeleton to get it to bind, and obviously you have to set in flexors and stuff. It's not something I've covered yet. I'm going to be, so if that's what you're after, then I'm going to cover that in later lessons. It's quite involved, so I have to create a few lessons, but I can certainly help you with the grouping, parenting side of things now. So let's have a look. I'm going to create a simple sphere. We're going through smooth shade here, and I'm going to stick a cylinder, and let's come in a bit with this and just reduce this all down. Stick a couple of legs on it. Okay, move him across. Maybe it should come into this view. I'm going to duplicate that and bring it across. Okay, so let's just pretend that that's your little character with his little legs, like so. It's a little bit out there. Just correct that. There we go. So there's my little character, or half a character, a belly and two legs. Okay, right, you would name these, so you'd have to make sure that you name these with what they are. Let's see, if this is facing this way, it will be his left leg. So I'm going to put left leg. And in here I'm going to put right leg. Okay, now I'm going to create a locator, and this is the locator that will make it easy for you to grab select your model. So I'm going to put him up there, and then whenever you move this, the model will move with it. And now we're going to come into start to link these all together. And lastly here, so he's green, and I'm just going to press P on the keyboard. Now whenever I grab this locator at the top, I can grab the whole model. Oh, I duplicated a sphere there. So I can grab the whole model and move him around, and that's basically it. Now if we come into outliner, I'll just show you what's happening here. You'll now see that locator is the top one. You'd obviously name this model, and now all of my parts, or parts of the model, are underneath it, grouped under model, but it's actually a locator. So that's the way to do it. Grab the top, and there you go. And I guess that if you've got a skeleton underneath that, you need to make sure it's bound to it. But now whatever you do, whether you scale, whether you rotate, everything's going to move properly. Okay, I hope that's answered your question. Cheers, bye.